Greetings and salutations, YouTube. Welcome to day 20 of Vlogmas. I'm here. I have a little elf. Hi, little elf.
Big. It's big.
Oh, don't carry that one. It's too big. I'll help you. You want to get a smaller one? Here you go. He's helping me put the presents under the tree. You got it? That one's a heavy one. He's stacking them. I'm gonna fix them later. He like literally doesn't want me to help him. Just put it down on the floor. There you go. Oh, BTW, the lights on these reindeers, like the little eyeballs that they put on, they're still glowing. It's gonna come on to 3 weeks, and they have been on this whole time. I'm gonna see if they can make it until Christmas. Let me know down below if you guys think these are gonna make it till Christmas. Do you think, Eliza?
Yeah.
You think so? Hey, don't shake it, baby! He's like a busy little elf.
Big. I can keep it.
You got it? You can do it, baby. You are such a good helper. Look at you.
It's big.
This is a heavy one. Is it heavy? You can do it. Oh yeah. This kid's like so strong. No, don't put it on top. Don't put it on the floor. Put it on the floor. Put it on the floor. Yay! You did it. Oh, now you're gonna take a nap because you're so tired. Okay, good night. Look at those little feetsies. I'm gonna tickle these little feetsies. I'm gonna tickle them. Show everyone your outfit. What is that, a reindeer or a fox? Is that a fox reindeer?
No.
Yeah? Or is it just a reindeer?
That's a reindeer.
A reindeer. What's his name? What? You don't know. You don't know. Yeah. Okay guys, just got inside the car. I have those air filters that I have to return. So I'm gonna go drop them off at the UPS store, and I might go to the thrift store really quick before I come back. So I think we're gonna do that, so I'm gonna head off right now. Guys, so I'm down the street, or in the same shopping center as UPS, but I dropped off my package. Now I'm at PetSmart. I'm going to get the kids some fish because I accidentally... Well, there was a tragedy that happened yesterday that I don't want to talk about. It was just too sad. So I'm here to replace the fish. Oh, we're gonna go look at them now. Maybe I'll just get one of these fish. They're only 31 cents each. I also like these fish though, with the giant things on their heads, but they're $31. Oh, look at these little fat fish. Oh, they're cute too. Oh, you guys, look at like the neon glowing fish. They're so cool. They look fake. I really like this goldfish right here. Like, it looks like it has like giant black eyeballs. It's like an anime fish or something. So he's super cute. I also kind of like that one. I like these two right there. Like, look at them. They're just like following my fingers. Alright, you guys, just got inside the car. Got the fish wrapped up and they're tied into the seatbelt right there. I totally forgot about like going to the thrift store afterwards. I guess we're gonna just have to go home now because I gotta get the fish at home or back home. And so let's go back. Eliza's gonna be so excited because he's home right now. Are you ready? Come here. Look at them. Look at it. Whoa. You like them? Oh. You want to put them in the bowl?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, so Liza just helped me fill up the fridge with some more sodas and waters. And now we're going to play some blocks while watching some TV. Oh, hello. The kids are here. Hello kids, I have a surprise for you. Hey guys. Now I'm gonna transfer the fish into the bowl. So excited. You guys, I have the fishies in there right now. I have some more water just sitting here so I can get to the same temperature as that, and then I'm gonna fill it up. But right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace the drapes. So these are like our white drapes, but they're only like single wide. So they're, I think they're only 50 inches wide. These are the ones that we had up originally. And these are kind of like an off-white. They're almost the same color, honestly. It's not even, you can kind of tell on camera. It's more obvious in real life, but I'm going to replace them with these because we want to wash these and put these up. But these are double wide, so these are going to look fantastic. And as you can see up there, I never even took out the rings from when I had the double wide ones up there. I just put those up. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I have my ironing board right here. I have my ladder so I can take down the drapes and hang them up. And this is gonna be a super fun time. I wonder how long this is gonna take because I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pairs, or 10 drapes. 5 pairs equals 10 to iron and put up. So this is gonna be a challenge. You guys, it literally took me 80 years to iron this thing. They're so hard to iron. But I did it, and it makes such a big difference when you iron them. They just look so much better. Even though like they're still a little bit like, you can't get them perfect because these are like linen and they're so huge. Like so I mean, I feel like I did a pretty good job. But see, I'll probably have to, let me do those so then you can get like a better comparison. But like they just they just look really nice when they're full, but I just like the color of the white, but we couldn't find the white in the 120 by 100 size. So yeah, that's why we only got, these are like 120 by 50. So they're half panels, they're not double wides. Anyway, let me get the other one started up and hopefully I can finish sometime today. You guys, got the other drape up. Now I'm gonna do these. You'll be able to see like how different they look when I put the other drapes up. Alright, so that is how it looks with the new drape. The other side's the old drape. Kind of like the white though. We need to find white ones, Mom. Alright, you guys, I only have one more to go, which is right over there. So then we're going to be done after that. Alright guys, finally finished. All of the curtains have been ironed and are up. So I am very, very excited. And now we're gonna go eat some Korean food. So I'm even more excited. There's John being excited. Alright you guys, we just got to the restaurant. I'm super excited. I've been literally working on those curtains for like 6.5 hours. So eating is gonna be a nice reprieve. Oh, my soup looks so good. Yum. Alright you guys, so we are back at the house and I am super tired already, but I'm super excited that all the drapes are now done down here. I might switch out the drapes upstairs tomorrow, but I'm not too sure yet. But it is looking pretty good. I love these drapes because they're super full, but I just love the white because they're so bright, but I also love these too. It's just so like, we got these on such a good sale that like if we were to buy new ones at like regular price, they would be so expensive, especially for like double wide drapes are always really expensive. So, but I'm really happy that these are up now. The other ones can get washed. We change the drapes about at least once a year. Preferably, like Mom would prefer it to be more, but I feel like this year I only changed them like once. Like I changed actually I changed them twice. I changed them in like the beginning of the year, and then wait, when did I change them? I don't know, I don't remember. But I changed them twice though, like in the earlier part of this year and then now. So it's perfect. These will be up, or like now, like I don't have to change them for the new year. So I'm really excited, and yeah. So also this table is still looking fantastic. I don't know, I really like this setup. This is one of my like favorite ones that I've done as of late, and I just like, I don't know, I like the minimalistic kind of look of it, right? Do you guys like it? But I think I'm gonna end the video here. I am like beyond tired. I have a lot of things that I still have to get done tomorrow. I still have a lot of things I have to finish up tonight too. So I'm gonna get all that stuff done. But thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. I had so much fun. Like just, I don't know why, like I really like changing out stuff. So like I really liked changing out the drapes. And I got to use mom's new iron. Did I show you guys the iron? I showed you guys iron, like I was ironing really quick, but I didn't show you guys the iron. It's really cool. Like I think she got it from Costco, and then when you sit it down, these little things like lift it up so it's not actually touching the ironing board when you sit it down. So like, it's cool. I like it. And it does a really, really good job, and the drapes look pretty fantastic. So, but yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out this morning's thrifting video, and the new one goes up tomorrow bright and early at 7, and the new vlog on 2. Adios. Bye. Let's see what we have here today. This Kuba. You have to be careful like about Kuba bags because certain styles are actually from Target, and I feel like the quality isn't as good. And there's, I don't know, like they're still pretty nice. Like the leathers are soft, but the full, like when you buy like the Kuba bags from the regular store, they feel so much nicer for some reason.